So for today, it's a celebration of Mother's Day. So naghanda ako ng konting surprise flower, no? Para at least ma-feel naman ng wife ko that I am very appreciative sa mga bagay na ginawa na niya, especially nung moment na dumating yung baby namin, si Astrid, all her sacrifices, all her effort para sa baby namin. So today mark as her first time mother, first time celebration of Mother's Day, and sana matawa siya dito sa simple flower na ready ko for her. So as the moment, wala pa siya, wala pa rin siyang update. Galing siya ng company outing nila. So ang last update niya is nasa Lago Mariano na siya. So malapit lang niya siya dito sa area. Later on siguro dito na siya, and just want to document this because I really wanted to see her reaction. I can see that.
10 years later.